In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sleep mode is not working in Windows 11. This should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, just go ahead, open up your search menu, just type in Control Panel. Now, go ahead, open that up. And after you get the control panel opened up, go to View by, click on large icons, then just go ahead and click on Power Options. As you can see, now click on that. On the left side, click on Choose when to turn off this play, and now just click on Choose Advanced Power Settings, as you can see. Now this window will pop up for you. Now on the Sleep tab, just click on that, click on Sleep After, and then just choose how much time you choose for it, and now just scroll down. Click on Allow Wake Timers, and you can disable it or enable it. As you can see, after that, just click OK. So that was how to fix sleep mode not working in Windows 11. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.